Hey guys, I'm Ben and I work in the sales team here at Ooni. Today I'm going to show you how to make my signature pizza, which I like to call the Millennial pizza. It's a Neapolitan style pizza topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella and crispy bacon bits. Once you've cooked the pizza base in your Ooni, you then finish it off with fresh avocado, crumbled feta cheese and plenty of sriracha. Being a millennial myself, I obviously love smashed avocado toast, so this pizza pretty much named itself. So before you get started stretching your pizza dough and topping it, have your smashed avocado and cooked bacon ready to go. I usually cook the bacon in Ooni's cast iron sizzler pan just before I start making my pizza. It's going to be delicious.